Hello and thank you for watching. In this short video, we are going to go over the notes and the fingering for a D major 1 octave scale. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to figure out which notes and keys on the piano we're going to play for this scale. So in this case, Do is going to be D, first note of the scale, D, and we're going to use this pattern of whole steps and half steps to find out which notes are in the scale. So Do to Re, whole step. Re to Mi, whole step. You'll see that whole step is made up of 2 half steps, or skip 1 key. So we're going to have a black key for Mi, named F sharp. Then Mi to Fa, half step. So those are kind of squished together. Fa, So, whole step. So, La, whole step. La, Ti, another black key. And then Ti, Do. So our 2 half steps in this scale are C sharp to D and F sharp to G. The fingering for this scale is the standard fingering, cross under finger 3, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the way I like to lock it in is with clumping the notes in between the thumb crossovers. So it's going to look like this. We're going to play the thumb by itself, then 2, 3, thumb crosses under, clump 2, 3, 4, pinky on top, 4, 3, 2, thumb, 3, 2. Let's do that one more time. Clumping on this actually feels nice for the right hand because you're going to cross where the black keys are. Not always the case. Now 1 octave, thumb under. Start on your pinky, get all the way to your thumb before doing anything. Cross with 3. Now the left hand, the clumping is going to start with a 4, 3, 2 clump, then a 3, 2 clump. Feel like you're kind of reaching for that C sharp with your second finger. One more time, pinky, big clump, smaller clump. Thumb comes under finger 3. One at a time. Then thumb crosses under finger 3. Now for hands together, if we look on the 2 hand scale above, you'll see 2 pink boxes on finger 3. The 3s go together, and after those boxes or before them is where the thumb crossover point is. So we'll start hands together, pinky on Do for the left hand, thumb on Do for the right hand. Do is D, E, F sharp, right hand comes under first. Left hand is going to cross after it gets to its thumb. So if in a scale you're starting on your pinky, you get to your thumb before doing anything. If you start on your thumb, you cross under after 3 in this scale. 3s go together. One more time. Finger 3s go together and something happens on 3. And back down. Left hand crosses under 3. Thank you for watching this short video on D 1 octave major scales. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope you will subscribe and check out some of my other piano technique videos on this channel. Thanks again for watching.